How does the car wreck claims process work? My name is David R. Price Jr. and I'm a personal injury trial attorney in Greenville, South Carolina. I dedicate my practice to helping injured people, and I want to share some valuable information with you. During the course of my practice, I have the opportunity to help people who have been injured in car wrecks all the time. When they come to me, they often have questions about the process, and they're under pressure from insurance adjusters to settle their claims before it would be in their best interest to do so. I help relieve that pressure by taking on the legal stuff so my clients can concentrate on getting better. One of the first things we do when our client comes to see us is send a letter of representation to the insurance companies, advising them that they are no longer authorized to speak to my client about their injuries. We make sure that our clients are receiving the treatment that they need from doctors. And if they don't have health insurance or otherwise have access to a doctor, we help them find a doctor who will treat them on the promise of payment at the conclusion of their case. While my clients are focused on getting better, we work to find all of the applicable insurance policies that may provide insurance for your injuries from the accident. With your help, my staff and I monitor the progress of your treatment. And as soon as you are done treating, we request copies of all the bills that you've incurred and the medical records for your treatment. Once this is received in my office, I review it. And I call my clients and I advise them of my opinion of the value of their case, the amount that I think they should demand, and the reasonable amount that they should expect to settle it for. With our client's permission, we combine these bills and these records into a demand package that we send off to the insurance company with a demand of settlement. Once the insurance company has had an opportunity to review these documents, they call me back and they make an offer to resolve my client's case. I properly communicate this offer to my clients, where I discuss my suggestions in terms of negotiations, and I conduct additional negotiations with insurance companies until I'm confident that I've reached the highest dollar that the insurance company is willing to pay for that claim. Once I know that amount, I then negotiate with medical providers to reduce medical bills and to maximize the amount of money for pain and suffering that my client gets at the conclusion of their case. I then call my client, I carefully explain the settlement offer, the amount owed for medical expenses and for legal fees, and the amount that they will receive if they choose to accept this settlement. If you decide to accept the insurance company's settlement offer, I sit down with you and I carefully explain the contents of any settlement document that you're asked to sign, and I show you specifically every dollar that's being forwarded to a third party, providing copies of the cover letters and the checks to all medical providers. If you decline the insurance company's offer, then I file a lawsuit and I'll pursue your claim in front of a jury. My name is David Price and I help injured people in these kinds of car wreck cases every day. If you've been injured in a car wreck, then I want to help you. Please call me at 864-271-2636 or visit my website at greenvillelegal.com. I want to provide you the personal, dedicated representation